Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. And guys, first of all, join the Discord. And yesterday I talked about that I said I'm expecting Bitcoin to move a little bit sideways here and potentially move to the upside, but that didn't happen. Okay, that didn't happen. And Bitcoin was moving sideways, but it did what? It pushed to the downside. Now, that thing is absolutely gonna affect SLP as well. Now the question is, SLP is gonna follow the footprints of Bitcoin, but we gotta see what Bitcoin does in this time. I've already uploaded the Bitcoin video in the channel, but the thing is that SLP still, nonetheless, has a very big level of support right there. But you could still see Bitcoin dumping to the downside coming this weekend, and we might see a little bit of touch towards these levels, a quick wick, just like you had this quick wick right there. So if it does have a quick wick down here, you can grab that wick. Okay, you can grab the liquidity and ride it back up, and if you could even make a very good. Now this is scalping, by the way. Okay, so if you're a very fast trader, you can make a very quick scalp if you do see a SLP making that quick wick because of Bitcoin, of course. And you can ride it all the way back up a little bit like this, like 5 to 8% of trade. That's just good money for a day trade, right? In one day, that's still kind of like decent profit, free money on the table. Okay, so if it does come for that quick wick, take the wick and then ride it back up. In my opinion, it doesn't mean you can go back up. Anything can happen. You can still lose the structure and start to dump to the downside, but you're still not losing the structure, and that's the good thing about it. So Bitcoin is going to affect SLP at this point of time. We can't do anything about it. So this is Bitcoin. You can already see it's trying to make a hanging man. And if you guys want to learn all of this candlestick reading and chart reading pattern that I'm doing, the support and resistances that I'm drawing, and how I do all of these predictions day in and day out, I did make a course for you. And I am teaching people now that, hey, take this course and learn trading. Okay, be good by yourself. You don't need this analysis and YouTubers. I want you to be good on your own. Go to the charts and you can read the charts easily so that you can make uh, wise decisions when it comes to investing, basically. So this at the moment until 19th of March is 29 bucks, so you can actually check it out. I do have a video explaining everything and all content, like 15 plus hours of contents out there. So yeah, this is SLP update. SLP still has that support being respected, but the thing is that it's Bitcoin. Okay, it's the problem and the big issue with Bitcoin right now. So it doesn't mean that just because you're holding support right here, you cannot lose the support. You could lose the support. The market always flips all of a sudden, and you cannot do anything about the flipping of the market other than following the market's direction and the market's call. Because I always say this, when you're trading, it's like the market, you're the girl, and the while you're dancing, you're the girl, and you're gonna have to be aware when your dance partner is gonna dump you. Okay, and you follow the lead of the man. Like Bitcoin is the man here, you're the girl here, and you have to follow Bitcoin and whatever Bitcoin does. Okay, so that's just a simple theory formula that I put in. Isn't that funny? Anyway, that's it for today's SLP update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.